Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at CVS to do a very small second CVS haul. I think I'm going to do 2 deals and then one thing that's on sale. So when I seen that Lysol, I knew I had to jump on it. So I have a CVS that's actually about 10 minutes from my house, and I never come here. When I very first started couponing here and filming, I came to this store, but it's very small. It's a much older CVS, so they don't have a lot, so I don't normally go to this one. But they have what I'm looking for, so I definitely am here to put up a quick little haul for you guys. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah. I like to coupon, and I like to show you some money saving tricks here and there. But anyways, guys, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe for me so that you can see all of my notifications and my story updates and community tab updates. That way you don't miss anything. So anyways, guys, that is all. So anyways, guys, we're going to go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're grabbing is the Nexus. The Nexus is spend $25, get back $10 in extra bucks. I am grabbing this conditioner here for $19.79. And then I am going to grab a humectress conditioner for $11.29. That will equal out to $31.08. Then we're going to use this 8 off 2 printable coupon. This will also glitch with the digital version of this as well. Then I'm going to use a 3 off 18 hair care CRT. That will bring my total down to $12.08. We'll get back $10 in extra bucks. Plus, we'll also get back $3 for Reaching Beauty. So that'll make our total free and a small money maker. Sorry for not really showing you a cart or anything like that. I only had a shopping basket and it was a little bit awkward. So sorry about that, but you'll see more later on in the video. So the next thing I'm going to grab is the Lysol. The Lysol is on sale from $15.99 down to $4.99. This store wasn't marked, so I wanted to make sure, just to be sure, it was the right ones. So I went over to the scanner, and sure enough, these are on sale for $4.99. We have a 75-cent off digital coupon that we can use on this. My store only had one, so that's all I grabbed, but I would have really stocked up on more, so it made these just $4.24. And then we're going to do a spend $30, get back $10 in extra bucks. That's only OLAY facial care. So if you have facial care CRTs, you can definitely make this really, really cheap. I do not, but I'm still wanting to show you the deal. So I'm going to grab one of these OLAY night recovery creams. They're $24.99. Then I'm going to grab a different one as well for $24.99. So then that's going to bring our total up to $49.98. We will get back a $10 extra buck, but I'm going to be using this paper coupon from the July P&G. It is a 10 off of 2 paper coupon. We also have a digital version of this as well. So it will take another $10 off, which is huge. And then after that, since we are Reaching Beauty, we will get another $3 beauty buck back. But then, since we are spending $20 after coupons on a P&G product, we can submit this for the summer rebate that will give us an extra $5 back. So the final total for these 2 items for me would be $14.98 or just $7.49 a piece. But if you have like a 5 off of 30 facial care CRT, then these would be just 2 for $10. And that's incredible, crazy, incredible, amazing. So one more thing I want to show you is a little clearance deal that I seen here. So this primer and serum is 75% off at $6.37. I have a $4 off CRT, and it's going to make it just $2.37. All right, guys, so I am back in from CVS, and everything went great. So the one reason I came here, main reason I came here, was to get this guy. This is huge. So they only have one left, and I did scan it just to make sure because this is a really big size. I mean, look at this compared to my head and my bun, because I'm like Abe Lincoln. My bun adds a lot of height to me, so I always have to consider that. But anyways, this thing is huge. So these are 19-ounce containers, and there's 2 of them, and it's $4.99. There is a 75-cent digital coupon on our app that you can use for this. There's also insert coupons for this from the 7 18 Smart Source. So if, say, your store has more than one and you want to grab them, you can definitely do that and use a coupon on each one of them. So I think for just over $2 per can, and I mean a big can for this Lysol is incredible. So definitely look to see if your store has it. So then after all of my coupons and the extra bucks that I used to lower my out-of-pocket, my total was $16.09, but I did use $31 in extra bucks to help lower my out-of-pocket. So my total for everything would be $47.09. I got back $20 in extra bucks, and I'll get back $5 from that P&G rebate. I'll have that linked down below for you if you are interested in doing that. That is going on throughout the summer. I'm actually going to have that sent to my mom's house. And then I had $4 tracking towards beauty, and I did not realize this, but I had $87 worth of beauty items here. So then I'll get back another $9 in beauty bucks. So that makes my total for everything $13.09. So I'm really happy with that. Okay, guys, so let's take a look at this awesome receipt with these glitches. So here is my receipt. Here is my paper coupons, and there are my digital coupons glitching. Then there's the 75-cent off Lysol coupon, the $4 off Neutrogena Aveeno CRT, my 3 off 18 hair care CRT, these random extra bucks that I get, these $1 or $2 ones that I get, and then there's the 2% cash back that I wanted to just go ahead and use that. So then there's $16.09, and then my extra bucks. So there is $10 for spending $30 and $10 for getting the Nexus. All right, guys, so that is everything I have for CVS. Now I'm going to show you a quick little in-store deal at Rite Aid if you want to stick around and watch that. So yeah, I'll see you guys over at Rite Aid. Okay, guys, so we are in Rite Aid. We're just going to do one transaction here with a few deals because we have a spend $50, get $10 off your transaction. So let's go to the soft soap first. The soft soap is buy one, get one free. When you buy two, you will get $2 back in bonus cash with a limit of 2. You won't get the gold discount on this, so you'll pay $6.78, and then you'll use some paper coupons from the 7-18 Smart Source. I'm using 4 50 cents off of 1 paper coupons. So then that will bring your total down to $4.78. You will get back $4 in bonus cash because you're buying 4 of them, and you get $2 for every 2 that you buy. So then that will bring our total down to just 78 cents for all 4 bottles of soft soap, and I'm excited about those cents. Then we're going to grab some Tresemme. The Tresemme is 2 for $9. And when you buy 2, you'll get $2 in bonus cash, again with a limit of 2 because it is a weekly deal. So I'm going to grab 4 of these bottles of the smaller bottles here. And then I'm going to use this 5 off 2 paper coupon from the 7-Eleven Save Insert. So the 4 of these will equal out to $18. We will use $10 in coupons. That will bring our total down to $9. We'll get back $4 in bonus cash, making all 4 of these just $5, and I think that's a good price. Then we're going to grab some Colgate. The Colgate is on sale for $3.50. There's a $3 off in-ad coupon. Some stores can do that multiple times in a transaction. Mine cannot, unfortunately, so we're only going to grab 1, and then we're going to use a $1 off printable coupon that is no longer available to print, but it is available to use, and it's going to make this a 50-cent moneymaker. Next, we're going to grab some Herbal Essence. Herbal Essence is spend $12, get back $4 in bonus cash, which I think is a really good deal, actually. And they are 2 for $12. I have a 4 off 2 digital coupon clipped to my account, but it did not come off for whatever reason. But I'm going to grab 2 of these, and then that $4 coupon should have taken $4 off, making them $8. You'll get back $4 in bonus cash, making these 2 bottles $4. Or $2 a piece, but it's going to be cheaper because we're using that $10 off coupon as well. Next, we're going to grab some All. The All is on sale this week for $2.99. It includes the blue bottle and the free and clear. I am going to grab the free and clear for my mom, and that also includes the packs, but I decided to play it safe with the liquid. And we have a $1.50 off coupon from the 7/18 Save insert. Then that's just going to make these bottles just $1.49 a piece. Then I checked the clearance section, which I do every week, and I found these boxes of tampons for $1.99. So anything in this little section here is 75% off, and I wanted to make sure that they were not just accidentally placed there. So then I'm going to show you the tag for this promotion. So these are buy one get one 50% off, but mine did not ring up buy one get one 50% off. So then when you buy two, you will get back $2 in bonus cash. So if you have a digital coupon for this, you'd be much better off getting the Playtex, but it also includes the small Carefree. But anyways, let's go to the table and I will talk about the final numbers for everything for this transaction at Rite Aid. All right, guys, so we are back in from Rite Aid, and this is everything that I got. Everything went okay, except one small thing happened. The good thing is my store finally put these OB organic tampons in the clearance section. That is 75% off. They were normally marked $7.99, and in the clearance section, they're $1.99. The good thing about those is that in the clearance section, they're typically included in the bonus cash deals as well. So the OB Playtex Carefree Stay Free is buy two, get back $2 in bonus cash. So with these being $1.99 a piece, that really helps with that deal. So these are $3.98 for both of them. And then when you get back $2 in bonus cash for buying two, your total is $1.98 or 99 cents a piece. And I think that's a really good deal. Next is my free toothpaste. Now some stores, they know how to use and add coupons multiple times. My store does not know how to do that, and neither do I. So I just got the one toothpaste. So the toothpaste is on sale for $3.50. We have a $1 off printable coupon or a 50-cent insert coupon that we can use. And then there's also a $3 in ad coupon that you can stack with any manufacturer coupons that you have. So this made it free and a 50-cent moneymaker for me because I had a $1 off printable coupon. So next we have the soft soap. The soft soap is buy one, get one free. And when you buy two, you get back $2 in bonus cash. So each one of these is $3.39. So you would pay $6.78 for two of them. I used 4 soft soap insert coupons that were 50 cents off of one from the 7/18 Smart Source. So that'll bring my total down to $4.78. Since I got 4 of them, I'll get back $4 in bonus cash, making the 4 of these just 78 cents. And I'm actually really excited about these because I don't see these scents at Walgreens or CVS. So I am really actually excited about this. I know I might be weird, but yeah, I love them. Next, we have the Herbal Essence, and I have 2 of them right there. The Herbal Essence is spend 12, get back $4 in bonus cash, and they're also 2 for $12. There was also a 4 off 2 digital coupon for this. So you would pay $12, and then you have the $4 off coupon, making them $8. Then you get back $4 in bonus cash, making them $4 or $2 a piece. But my digital coupon didn't come off. So I don't know why that happened, but I did speak with customer service and they credited me $4 in bonus cash. And next is the Tresemme. The Tresemme is 2 for $9, and then when you buy 2, you get $2 back in bonus cash. So next is the Tresemme. The Tresemme is 2 for $9. When you buy 2, you get back $2 in bonus cash, and I grabbed 4 of them because typically the limit is 2 on a deal. We have $5 insert coupons from the 7-Eleven Save insert. So I used that. So the 4 of these would equal out to $18. I used $10 in insert coupons, bringing my total down to $9. I got back $4 in Walgreens cash, making the 4 of these just $5. And I'm really happy with that price. And these are the Pro Collection. It says it in the back now instead of on the front. And the bottle is shaped differently, but those are the Pro Collection. So here is my receipt, and you can see the OB tampons ring up at $1.99. There's my $10 coupon for spending $50. And then we'll come down here to the Herbal Essence, and I did not get that $4 off digital coupon. So my total originally was $22.19. That $4 coupon did not come off, so my total should have been $18.19. So then I used my bonus cash to pay for that, and I still ended up having to pay $2.19 out of pocket. I got back $14 in bonus cash. And here is the bottom of my receipt. I got bonus cash for the Tresemme twice, bonus cash for the Playtex and the OB once, bonus cash for the Irish Springer soft soap, and then bonus cash for the Herbal Essence. And there are my limits. So my total originally should have been $18.19, getting back $14, making that a $4 haul. And I'm actually very happy with that. I am still new and learning the ropes with Rite Aid, so I'm really happy with a $4 haul, especially with getting tampons and hand soap and laundry soap, so I'm good with that. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and if you stuck around for the Rite Aid portion of this video, thank you very much for watching that as well, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye guys.